I surrender all to Thee, I freely give. I will ever love and trust You in Your presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all to Thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all.
Hello friends, good afternoon. We have come to a village called Thottapalli, and this is a great blessing. This is a place where people are going to come and get unlimited source of water. Now, this is a blessing for the whole village. Because of you, we are having a great impact in this place. And this impact we cannot describe in words. And we see the villagers over here, they're so happy. We are thanking you for this wonderful opportunity you're given, so the love of Jesus can be shown over here. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Fall on me. I surrender all. I surrender all to Thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all.